Pistons 5 out of 10 from behind the long line.
Pistons have now attempted one more three-pointer than OKC has. And it looked like in the early going, that's all they were shooting.
Exactly. Giddy has it topside. Bazley with the screen. Bazley will get it inside. Lean and scoop and score. He gets it back. Doubles for Corey Joseph. Shot won't fall. Rebound to Giddy. Hard drive and a deuce.
On 40, How many for?
People say, I've been listening to you all my life and you're playing great. 9 Pistons have an assist in the ball game. Pass that around. Oklahoma City.
Been their best player tonight.
Yes, he has. Backdoor cut by Bazley. Made it look easy. Got to the basket. Choose 10 or more games at an exclusive rate with a 10-game flex plan.
All-time leading scorer this season. Barring injury.
Javen Hunter, his dad was a star at Country Day at Notre Dame and played in the pros with the Ravens. His mom, Niele Ivey, star.
Of course, number 28 won by James Hunter.
I got a surprise for you.